quest, ancient scrolls and maps, bag full of secrets for hood, elven caps. Mountains high, where the dragons nap, echoes in the caves where the shadows trap. Elrond wanderer through Middle-earth, feet on the path, knows his worth. Under starlit skies since his birth, searching for truth, digging through the dirt. Dwarven doors, rooms carved in stone, goblin scheming, treasure unknown. Mystic realms, where the seeds are sown, magic of the ages, his heart turned to bone. Trail of light through the forest deep, whispers of the past, secrets they keep. Over rugged hills where the wild things leap, wading through rivers, memories to reap. Elrond wanderer through Middle-earth, feet on the path, knows his worth. Under starlit skies since his birth, searching for truth, digging through the dirt. Dwarven doors, rooms carved in stone, goblin scheming, treasure unknown. Mystic realms, where the seeds are sown, magic of the ages, his heart turned to bone. Trail of light through the forest deep, whispers of the past, secrets they keep. Over rugged hills where the wild things leap, wading through rivers, memories to reap. Meeting travelers,